If I go back and sit across from my younger self, the version of me that thought trading was gonna be easy money, I'd look him dead in the eye and say, you're about to get wrecked unless you learn these 4 things. Because these 4 lessons would have saved me years of pain, frustration, and blown accounts. By the end of this video, I want you to walk away with the 4 most important lessons I wish someone had drilled into my head when I started. No fluff, not hacks, just the real foundations that actually make you money. Chapter 1. Invest in quality mentorship. When I first got into Forex, I thought I could figure it out all on my own. Watch some videos, download a few PDFs, trial and error. Sound familiar? Yeah, that was me, and it was a mistake. I lost money that I didn't need to lose. I wasted time that I'll never get back. Not because I was dumb, but because I was stubborn. I thought asking for help was a weakness. Spoiler alert, it's not, it's the strength. If I had gone around someone who had already walked through the fire, someone who knew the traps, I could have skipped the struggle, but my ego didn't allow that. Here's what nobody tells you. Trading is a solo game, but you don't have to play it alone. There's no prize for suffering in silence, but there is power in having someone who can say, don't step over there. A real mentor sharpens your thinking. They'll check your psychology. They'll slap the revenge trade out of your hand. They save you from yourself. This isn't about the shortcuts. It's about speed, alignment, and real feedback. And when I finally found that, I stopped guessing and I started executing. Do you want to keep fumbling in the dark, or do you want someone to hand you the flashlight? Because the next move, it's not about our intelligence, it's about your humility. Chapter 2, develop and stick to a solid trading plan. Trading without a plan is like jumping out of a plane and hoping you packed a parachute somewhere. You might be fine the first time, maybe even the second time, but eventually, gravity's gonna win. I used to wing it. No entries, no exits, no risk rules, just pure vibes. And it showed. It all changed the day I said, let's build a real plan. I treated it like a business because that's what trading is. And every business actually needs structure. Your trading plan needs 5 pillars. Your goals, what are you trying to achieve? 2, your risk tolerance. Max 1 to 2% per trade. Number 3, your entry rules. What qualifies as an actual legit setup. Number 4, your exit plan. Where does the stop loss go? What's the take profit? And number 5, your review system. How and when do you actually reflect on the trade? Put it on your desk. Tattoo it on you. That's your anchor when FOMO tries to take over. Without it, you're freelancing. And freelancing is gonna lead to regret. A real plan gives you clarity, control, and confidence. It's not about being right every single time, but it's about executing with purpose. Ask yourself, are you trading with a blueprint or just improvising every other move? Chapter 3, master your risk management. Risk management, it's not sexy. No one's making viral edits about stop losses, but it's the reason I'm still in the game and most people aren't. I used to ignore it. Throw 20, 30% of my account into a sure thing. You know how it ends up? Badly. One wrong trade, completely wiped out. Winning trades don't matter if your losers are nuclear. So I rebuilt my system around one rule: preserve the capital. Your capital is like oxygen. You run out, you die. I try not to risk more than 1 or 2% per trade. $5,000 account, $50 risk, because I can survive 5 losses in a row and keep going. The game isn't winning about every single time. It's about surviving your losses. Even elite traders lose 40 to even 50% of the time. What keeps them in the game is controlling that downside. You want to grow? Respect your stop loss. Trade small and risk smart. Before any trade, you need to know, how much are you risking? Where's your stop loss going? And is the reward worth it? If you can't answer all 3 of those, don't place the trade. Your capital is your lifeblood. Bleed out in too much one trade and it's game over. Chapter 4, pick one strategy and go 10,000 hours deep into it. What wrecked me more than any bad trade was strategy hopping. Every time something stopped working, I chased something new. Smart money concept, ICT, trend lines, fibs, breakouts, reversals, whatever it may have been. I tried everything and I mastered nothing. I told myself I was being flexible, but really I was avoiding depth. You don't need more strategies, you need more reps. Pick one system, one playbook, one risk model, and one set of conditions. Drill it until it's second nature. It's muscle memory. Mastery doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from going deep. Don't be a tourist in 10 different strategies. Pick one and go so deep with it that you could write the manual. In trading, snipers win. They move slow, they wait for the setup, and they pull the trigger with precision. If I could go back, these are the 4 things I'd hammer into my younger self. No indicators, no hype, just truth. Number 1, invest in that mentorship. Someone who's been there. Number 2, build a real trading plan and follow it religiously. Number 3, master risk management. Capital is your lifeline. Number 4, pick one strategy and go all the way with it. Because in trading, success doesn't care about your passion. It cares about structure, discipline, and the mastery. Show up with those three, and yeah, the market might just pay you for the life that you actually want. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today in this video. Please hit that subscribe button, and I love you. Peace.